Good morning, and it's already December 24 and it's Christmas time. Merry Christmas at Merry ang Christmas. Ito na tayo kasi piniprepare natin yung document nitong Toyota Vios na for release natin kasi i-release na natin sa kanila. At syempre, since kasama po ang transfer of ownership nito, supposedly iiwanan po sa atin muna ang documents, pero request ni sir baka pwede on hand niya muna habang nasa process, habang pinaprocess, then once kailangan na, dalhin niya na lang ulit. So siguro ipapacheck ni sir or kung ano man. Anyway, ito na, turn over natin ang unit, pero iwanan natin yung deed of sale. Okay?
Alright, y'all, it's time to move. Feel the groove, don't stop the beat. Hey, hey, get funky now. The bass is thumping, the lights are low. The rhythm hits, let your body go. Feel the funk in your feet, let it ride. This is the night to come alive.
3 years registration po yan, sir. Tapos ito yung deed of sale from Toyota Financial. Papunta na po ito sa bidder namin. Yung from bidder papunta sa amin, andito po sa amin kasi papanotaryuhan pa siya, sir. Pero ito, original naman po ito lahat.
Stop your feet. Groove is magic, can't be beat. Groove it, don't stop the flow. Get funky, funky, let it show.
Merry Christmas, darling.
Bringing back the funk tonight. Disco lights spinning, the vibe is high. The dance floor is burning, we're touching the sky. Every move you make, it's a funky delight. Let's keep this party going all night.
So tayo, and it's about time. Pwede na tayo mag-enjoy, mag-celebrate with our loved ones and family. See you December 26.
Yes, I.